Good afternoon to all of you. Today we have discussed about food components. As all of you know, all living things need food. When we need food, we feel hungry. As you know, see here, what is the uses of the foods? Food gives us energy to the body. Food helps us to grow. Food helps us to keep our body healthy. Yes, children. You know, see here, in our daily life we are eat different types of foods. Okay, you know, see here, different type of foods contains different nutrients. What are the different nutrients? As now we have discussed about nutrients. See here, different foods contains different nutrients. As children, see here, different foods contains different nutrients. Yes. Now we are discussed about one by one. See here. As first of all here, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Okay, children. Yes, see here. These are the nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the nutrients. You know, see here. Is what is the uses of the carbohydrates? Which foods rich in carbohydrates? You know, see here, carbohydrates gives us energy to the body. Is which foods are rich in carbohydrates? That foods are called energy giving foods. What is the another name of the carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Energy giving foods. Which foods gives us energy to the body? That foods are called carbohydrates. That's why carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. You know, see here is what are the examples of carbohydrates rich foods? All of you know, see here, rice, potato, chapati, bread, rich in carbohydrates. That's why these foods are called carbohydrate foods. You see here, rice, chapati, potato, bread. As you can see here, which foods are rich in carbohydrates? Rice, chapati, potato, bread. These foods are rich in carbohydrates. When we eat these foods, quickly gives us energy to the body. Quickly gives energy to the body. That's why these foods are called carbohydrate foods. These foods are called carbohydrate foods. You see here, now we have discussed about fats. Now we have discussed about fats. Okay, children, see here, fats also like carbohydrates. Fats also gives us energy to the body. But our body needs to little amount of fats. You know, see here, when we eat the fats, when we eat the fatty food, automatically this fats are stored in our body. Our body use later. You know, see here, when we do not eat the food, in that time our body use these fats, get the energy. That's why fats are called energy banks in our body. You see here, fats are called energy banks in our body. Energy banks. Okay, children, you know, see here, why we call fats are energy giving foods? You know, see here, when we eat the foods, our body use a little amount of fats, extra fats stored in our body use later. That's why, you know, see here, fats stored in our body, no? That's why fats are called energy banks in our body. Okay, yes, see here which foods rich in fats? All of you know ghee. See here ghee, butter. Children, ghee, butter, nuts, and oil. These foods are rich in fats. Okay, children, see here ghee, butter, nuts, and oil. These foods are rich in fats. Okay, see here who needs more carbohydrate foods here? Once again, who needs more carbohydrate foods? Yes, people doing lot of physical work. Who doing lot of physical work that people need rich carbohydrate foods. Children who play in the ground, that children need to rich carbohydrate food. Okay, yes. Okay, children, carbohydrates completed, fats completed. Now we have discussed about proteins. Hey, children, see here, proteins help to grow our body. That's why which foods are rich in proteins, that foods are called body building foods. You see here, body building foods. Yes, children. Yes, children, see here. What is the another name of the proteins? See here. Proteins help to grow our body. That's why proteins are called body building foods. See here. Who need protein food? Growing children. Growing children need to protein food. And see here, protein help to grow our body, and as well as protein help to repair the damaged parts of our body. Okay, children, which foods are rich in proteins? Now we have discussed about which foods are rich in proteins. What are the examples of protein foods? See here, milk products like cheese. And eggs, fish, and meat. Fish and meat. These foods are rich in proteins. Which foods are rich in proteins? Milk, cheese, eggs, fish, meat. These foods are rich in proteins. That's why these foods are called protein foods or body building foods. Okay, yes, children, now we have discussed about vitamins and minerals. What is that? Vitamins and minerals. All of you know very well. See here, as vitamins and minerals protect our body from diseases. Okay, children, vitamins and minerals help to protect our body from diseases. See here, as vitamins and minerals keep our body healthy. That's why vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. See, children, all of you, protective foods. Why we call vitamins and minerals are called protective foods? Vitamins and minerals protect from diseases. That's why vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Okay, which foods are rich in vitamins and minerals? All of you know very well. Fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, sprouts, rich in vitamins and minerals. Okay, children, fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, sprouts, and milk rich in vitamins and minerals. See here, fruits, leafy vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, and see here sprouts. These foods are rich in vitamins and minerals. Clear, children, all of you? See here, once again now we are discussed about all. What are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates gives us energy to the body. That's why carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Next, fats. Fats also, like carbohydrates, fats also gives energy to the body, but our body needs to little amount of fats. Extra fats are stored in our body. When our body needs energy, our body get the energy from these fats. That's why these fats are called energy banks in our body. Okay, see here, next, proteins. Proteins help to grow our body and repair damaged parts of the body. That's why proteins are called body building foods. Okay, next now we are discussed about vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals protect from diseases. That's why vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Okay, children, all of you clear? These are all nutrients needed by our body. Our body needs all nutrients. Our body needs carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. That's why in our diet we need to eat different types of foods. Why? Because different foods contains different nutrients. Okay, children. You see here, along with these nutrients, our body need to water and roughage. Now we are discussed about importance of water and importance of roughages. See, children. Yes, along with these nutrients. Yes, children, see here. Along with these nutrients, our body need to water. Our body need to water. Water has any nutrients? Water has no nutrients. Water has no nutrients. Yes, see here. Water has no nutrients, but water is essential for our body. Okay. Yes, children, see here. What are the importance of water? What are the uses of the water? See here. Water help to digestion. Water help to digestion. Keep the water help to digestion. And see here. Yes, water helps to digestion of food. Water help to digestion of food. Hey children, see here. Water help to digestion of food properly. Digest the food properly. And see here. Is water help to get rid of the waste from the body. See here, water help to get rid of the waste from the body. Get rid of the waste from the body. Okay, children, see here, all of you. Okay, water helps to digest the food properly, and water helps to get rid of the waste from the body. And see here, water helps to maintain the body temperature. Okay, children, water helps to maintain the body temperature. See here, all of you. Yes, water helps to maintain the body temperature. Maintain the body temperature. Yes, children. See here, all of you. What are the use of the water? See here, water do not have any nutrients, but water is essential for our body. As water helps to digestion of food properly, and water helps to get rid of the waste from the body, and water helps to maintain the body temperature. Water helps to maintain the body temperature. Okay, yes, now we are discussed about rough edges. As children see here, now discussed about rough edges. As children see here, now we are discussed about rough edges. See here, rough edges also do not have any nutrients, but rough edges necessary for our body. Okay, see here, rough edges do not digested in our digestive system. Rough edges do not digest in our body. Okay, as a rough edges bulk in the food and help to remove the waste from the body. You see here, rough edges also help to remove the waste from the body. You see here, remove the waste from the body. Okay, children, see here, rough edges do not have any nutrients. But rough edge is essential for our body. You see here, rough edge is nothing but to fiber-like food. See here, when we peel out the banana, inside of the peel has a like fiber-like structure. This fiber-like structure of food is called rough edges or rough edge. Okay, see here, rough edge help to remove the waste from the body, but rough edge do not digest in our digestive system. Rough edges bulk and remove the waste from the body. Okay, children. Yes, see here, which foods are rich in rough edges? Which foods rich in rough edges? All of you know, peels of fruits and peels of vegetables. Rich in rough edges. See here, all of you, peels of fruits. Yes, peels of fruits and peels of vegetables, and peels of vegetables. Okay, children, yes, which foods rich in rough edges? Peels of fruits and peels of vegetables rich in rough edges. Rich in rough edges. Clear, children, all of you? Yes, what are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the nutrients. These nutrients needed by our body. Along with these nutrients, our body need water and our body need rough edges. Okay, yes. Okay, children, clear, all of you? Which foods are rich in carbohydrates? Which foods are rich in proteins? Which foods are rich in fats? Which foods are rich in vitamins and minerals? And what are the uses of the water? What are the uses of the rough edges? All of you clear? Good. Now we are discussed about some minerals. Some minerals. You see here, I am rub the board. As now we are discussed about minerals. As children see here. What are the minerals? As see here, all of you know very well. Calcium, iron, potassium, iodine. These are the some examples of the minerals. These are the some examples of the minerals. Calcium, iron, potassium, iodine. These are the some examples of the minerals. Yes, all of you know see here. What is the use of the calcium? What is the use of the calcium? All of you know see here. Calcium helps to make our bones and make our teeth strong. Okay, calcium makes bones. As children see here, calcium makes bones and teeth strong. Bones and teeth strong. Okay, children. As you know, see here, calcium makes bones and teeth strong. Next, all of you know, see here, is which mineral help to formation of blood? Which mineral help to formation of blood? Yes, you know, see here, iron. What is that? Iron. Iron mineral help to formation of blood. Iron mineral help to formation of blood. Okay, children. Iron mineral help to formation of blood. Calcium makes bones and teeth strong. Okay, which foods are rich in iron mineral? Which foods are rich in iron minerals? Yes, you know, see here, leafy vegetables. What are that? Leafy vegetables and jaggery rich in iron mineral. Okay, leafy vegetables such as coriander, mint, different leafy vegetables is there. You know, see here, leafy vegetables are rich in iron mineral and jaggery also rich in iron mineral. Okay, children, is all of you clear? Nutrients, okay, minerals. After you know, see here, what are that? Water, roughage. You know, see here, our body needs nutrients along with water and roughage. Clear, all of you? Okay, these are the nutrients. These are the components of the food and uses and sources of the foods. Clear, all of you? Okay. Next, remaining we are discussing in the tomorrow's class.